Hello everyone, welcome to Selenium. Today's topic is multi-select dropdown. Multi-select dropdown is an HTML select element that allows multiple selections. Important points are the select tag must have multiple attribute. Without multiple, Selenium will not allow multiple selections. Select class provides special methods for multi-selecting handling. Common real-world use cases are user role creation, skills selection, permissions, or access configuration. Here in the sample script, I am inspecting the dropdown. The select tag has multiple attributes. I am checking if it supports multi-select. Then I am selecting the multiple options using select class. This confirms it is a multi-select dropdown. If you see here, if it has multiple, then I will enter into the if statement and select the option 1, option 2. If it is not multiple, then no option will be selected. This is how multi-select dropdowns are handled in Selenium. I will run the script, then you will see whether that particular dropdown has multi-select option or not. If you see this dropdown, multi-select options are not enabled. So it has not entered this statement, if statement. So select is multiple is false. That's why we are not able to select the options because it is a single, you need to select only single value. It is not multi-select dropdown. We do not have the example to show, but in real cases, this will be handled as shown in the script. Multi-select works only if the dropdown supports. Here it is not supporting, so we are not able to select. Always check is multiple before selecting. So as you see, I am checking is multiple before selecting if it supports. Select class handles multi-select cleanly. If it is not handling, we will see the printed statement. No multiple attributes, no multi-select. I will close the application.